If you're interested in 3D printers, the Library Innovation Hub has just the equipment for you. Go up to the Innovation Hub IT desk and let them know you're there to use a printer. Be aware that 3D printing isn't free. It costs 5 cents per gram. You can pay this fee easily using Aggie Express. If you already have a file you want to print, make sure you bring it on a USB or email it to yourself. If you don't have a file, IT will help you find one using open access sites. All files must be in STL format, and the program used is Bamboo Studio. For detailed instructions on how to use Bamboo, visit the Innovation Hub's website. Don't forget to ask IT which filament is best for your print. Bamboo will show you how much time the print will take and the final cost. Save your file on one of the provided SD cards next to the computer. Here you'll also find a form all users are required to fill out and give to IT. You won't be charged for prints that have failed, but they may make it to the 3D Printing Hall of Shame. Remember to always ask IT for help if you run into a roadblock. For more information about the 3D printers, visit the Innovation Hub website or contact us at innovationhub@usu.edu.